Hi everyone, I'm Nurse Nicole, and today we are going to be reviewing Novarel. So congratulations if you've made it to this point. This is one of your trigger shot injections. You received 2 boxes of this medication. If your dose is 2,000 units of your Novarel injection, you will use one of these packages. The other one can remain untouched and you can set it off to the side. When you open up that package, you have your powder and your liquid vials. And for this injection, the dose will be 2,000 units. Each powder contains 5,000 units, so we'll mix it and then use a portion of that for our injection. With your syringe and needle, you'll go ahead and pull back about 2.5 milliliters of air into that syringe. Once you've pulled back your air, you can go ahead and open up each of your vials. Gently remove the needle cap. And starting with your liquid vial, you'll poke your needle straight through the top and inject the air straight in. Once your air is injected, you'll flip it over and withdraw about 2.5 milliliters of that liquid solution. There will be more than 2.5 milliliters in this vial. You will only need to withdraw that amount. So once you have 2,500 units of the liquid, you'll go ahead and flip it over, gently remove that needle, switch over to your powder vial, inject it in, and you're going to push all of that liquid into your powder. Now, this is a 5,000 unit mixed up medication and your dose is 2,000 units. So we will go ahead and flip it over and withdraw only 1 milliliter of that solution out. So there will be medication remaining in your vial, which is okay. You'll remove 1 milliliter for your injection. You'll flip it over, remove that needle. That remaining medication in your vial can be refrigerated in case you need to do an additional dose. We'll take our needle cap and gently place it back on that syringe, twist it off, and you can put that needle straight into your sharp spin. We're now going to use our injection needle. So we'll go ahead and open up that package, remove our needle, and twist it on to our syringe carefully. Your Novarel trigger shot is an intramuscular injection, which means you will be injecting into the upper outer quadrant of your butt. The best way to pick out your real estate is to stick your hand like this, like you're putting it in your pocket, and you're going to inject in between where your thumb and pointer finger are, so right around here. So it will be closer to the hip area, but you don't want to go too far over. So once you've picked out your spot, you'll go ahead and clean off the site, remove your needle cap, and you are going to inject with a dart-like motion into the upper outer quadrant. That whole needle needs to go into your skin. And once it is inserted, you'll press down on the end of your plunger to eject the medication. Needle will come out, and then you're done. This is a single-use supply, so you'll go ahead and drop it into your sharps container just like all your other injections.